Beaufort Artist Studio of the late Craig Gurganus. The Fish Bouffant Property offers endless possibilities. This 1.78-acre property offering the perfect blend of space, convenience, and potential. Mostly cleared and ready for your vision, this versatile parcel features potential county water and sewer hookups. An existing workshop provides valuable storage or workspace, while mature fruit-bearing trees add charm and a touch of country living. Whether you're looking to build or invest in land with room to grow, this property offers the flexibility to bring your plans to life. Conveniently located with easy access to Morehead City, Beaufort, area beaches, shopping, dining, Cherry Point, and a crystal coast, you'll enjoy the best of coastal living with plenty of room to spread out. Just add water to your lifestyle. Ocean wave emoji.